Hey there, Justin here with another foundation repair tip of the day. If you're dealing with foundation problems, you've probably heard about concrete piers as a solution, but are they really the best option? Let's dive in and break down what concrete piers are, what some people use them for, and why we at Dalinghaus Construction choose a different approach. Concrete piers are large cylinders of concrete that are hydraulically pushed into the ground under your foundation. They're meant to stabilize the foundation by transferring the building's weight to deeper, more stable soils. But here's the catch. The installation process isn't monitored, which means there's no way of knowing how much pressure is being applied to the piers or how deep they actually go. Once these concrete piers are driven in, the idea is that they'll lift your house. But here's why this can be a problem. If the piers are only pushed 5 or 10 feet into the soil, you're still in that active zone, or soil that's prone to shifting, water movement, and settling. You could find that your foundation starts moving again, and you'll end up spending more money on repairs down the road. Here's where push piers come in. Unlike concrete piers, push piers are driven deep into the ground, bypassing that active soil to reach solid, load-bearing strata. This means your foundation gets the stable support it needs, without the risk of future shifting. Push piers also allow for precise monitoring during the installation, so we know exactly how much pressure is applied. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't use concrete piers because we don't believe they provide the long-term, reliable support your foundation needs. Instead, we prefer methods like push piers, helical piers, or slab piers, which are designed to reach deeper, more stable soils and provide stronger, more durable support. These piers are installed with precision and monitored to ensure the structure is lifted and stabilized safely. Plus, they're resistant to water damage, unlike concrete piers, which can rust and deteriorate over time. So, if you're facing foundation issues, it's important to choose the right repair method the first time. Opting for a quick fix with concrete piers might save you money now, but it could cost you a whole lot more later. Save yourself the trouble and invest in a solution that's built to last. If you're unsure about your foundation or need advice on the best repair method, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help. Thanks for tuning in for today's tip. We'll see you next time with more expert advice on keeping your foundation strong and stable. Dalinghaus Construction, your trusted partner in foundation repair. For expert help, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. You can visit us online at dalinghausconstruction.com or give us a call at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free foundation evaluation. See you next time.